My name is Brenda Bell. I'm the customer service manager at Schwartz Industries, and I've been here for about 20 years. Having women in manufacturing to me is very important because it adds a much needed balance to a previously male-dominated industry. Myself, I work administratively, but I do spend some time on the floor. I was in a position at one time where I spent a lot of time on the floor working shoulder to shoulder with the guys, if you will. And I think it added balance not only for myself, but for them. We have women now in multiple positions out on the manufacturing floor, and they add a level of detail and something that was just missing before we introduced the women. And it's just commonplace today, and we're so happy that we have a place in manufacturing. It's like a family. Of course, maybe I feel that way more so because I've been here 20 years and I've watched people come, I've watched people go. But I spend more time here than I do with my family, and I've gotten to know my co-workers, and we are like a family. We treat each other like brothers and sisters. We agree to disagree, and then we all gather around the table and hug at the end of the day. I would encourage anyone that's interested in any kind of a manufacturing position, whether it be welding, assembly, fabricating, administrative, any type of manufacturing support position, go for it. Don't be afraid. Don't feel threatened because you're a woman. My goodness. The sky is the limit today, and you'll be welcomed with open arms.